Do you ever feel like you're invisible to the women you're attracted to? Are you tired of putting in the effort but still not getting the attention you crave? Well, what if we told you there's a way to draw women to you like a magnet? Yes, you heard that right, a magnet. But wait, before you dismiss this as some cheesy pickup line, hear us out. According to a recent study, only 55% of women report being satisfied with their dating lives. More than half of the female population is struggling to find a partner they truly connect with. So what's the secret to standing out and becoming that irresistible force that women can't resist? By the end of this video, we will reveal 13 powerful tips on how to attract women to you like a magnet. From being unapologetically honest to having social skills, we'll cover everything you need to know to become that magnetic force that women are drawn to. Let's start. Number 13. Don't try to prove yourself. One common mistake many men make when trying to attract women is trying too hard to prove themselves. But here's the thing, when you're constantly trying to prove yourself, you're actually communicating to women that you're insecure and lacking confidence. And let's face it, confidence is sexy. So instead of trying to prove yourself, focus on being comfortable in your own skin. Show how you're confident in who you are and don't need to prove anything to anyone. Not only will this make you more attractive, but it will also save you a lot of unnecessary stress and pressure. In fact, a study published in the Journal of Social and Personal Relationships found that women are more attracted to men who are comfortable with themselves and don't feel the need to prove themselves. Number 12. Understand your value. One of the most important things you can do to attract women to you like a magnet is to understand your value. This means knowing what makes you unique and valuable as a person and being confident in that value. Believe it or not, studies have shown that women are more attracted to men who have a clear sense of their own value and self-worth. This doesn't mean you need to be arrogant or boastful, but rather that you have a strong sense of self and are confident in who you are. Take the example of Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson. He's a highly successful actor, producer, and former professional wrestler, and he exudes confidence and self-assurance. He knows his value, and he's not afraid to show it. Number 11. Be unapologetically honest. It's no secret that honesty is an important trait in any relationship, but when it comes to attracting women, being unapologetically honest can be a game changer. Now, we're not talking about being brutally honest or hurtful. Instead, we're talking about being genuine and authentic in your interactions with women. This means expressing your thoughts, feelings, and opinions without fear of judgment or rejection. Studies have shown that women are more attracted to men who are open and honest about their thoughts and feelings. In fact, a survey by Zoosk found that 92% of women value honesty in a partner. Number 10. Showing up powerfully in your dating. When it comes to dating, many men tend to play it safe and stay within their comfort zones. But if you want to draw women to you like a magnet, it's important to show up powerfully and confidently in your dating life. This means taking risks, being bold, and stepping out of your comfort zone. It means showing women that you're not afraid to take charge and make things happen. Studies have shown that women are more attracted to men who are confident and assertive. In fact, a survey by Psychology Today found that 67% of women prefer men who are assertive in their approach to dating. Number 9. Understanding emotional regulation. Emotional regulation may not come to mind when you think of attracting women, but it's a crucial aspect of building strong relationships. Understanding how to regulate your emotions and communicate effectively can make all the difference in your dating life. Research has shown that men with strong emotional regulation skills are likelier to have successful relationships. In fact, a study by the University of Texas found that men who could express their emotions healthily were more likely to have long-lasting and satisfying relationships. Number 8. Meet people with similar interests. If you want to attract women who are compatible with you and share your interests, it's important to make an effort to meet people with similar interests. Research has shown that couples who share common interests and values are more likely to have long-lasting relationships. In fact, a survey by Harmony found that 64% of women value shared interests and hobbies in a partner. One way to meet people with similar interests is to join clubs, groups, or organizations related to your hobbies or passions. For example, if you're into hiking, join a hiking group. If you're into music, join a local band or attend concerts. Another option is to use online dating sites or apps that allow you to filter potential matches based on shared interests. Number 7. Know your passion. Knowing your passion is not only important for your own fulfillment, but also for attracting women who share your interests and values. When you have a clear sense of your passion, you exude confidence and enthusiasm, which can be very attractive to others. According to research, women are more likely to find men attractive and desirable who are passionate about their hobbies and interests. In fact, a study by the University of California found that women are more attracted to men who are passionate about their hobbies and interests. One way to discover your passion is to explore different activities and hobbies, try new things, and see what sparks your interest. Once you find something that you're passionate about, make it a priority in your life and share it with others. For example, if you're passionate about cooking, invite a woman over for a homemade dinner. Or if you're passionate about art, take a date to a local art museum or gallery. Number 6. Have social skills. Having social skills is a crucial aspect of attracting women. It's not enough to just be confident and charming. You also need to know how to interact positively and engage with others. Research has shown that men with strong social skills are likelier to have successful and fulfilling relationships. In fact, a study by the University of California found that social skills were a stronger predictor of relationship satisfaction than physical attractiveness. So, what are social skills, and how can you develop them? Social skills include things like active listening, empathy, humor, and the ability to read social cues. These skills can be developed through practice and by putting yourself in social situations. Number 5. Be open-minded. Being open-minded is a key trait when it comes to attracting women. It means being willing to listen to different perspectives and ideas, and being open to trying new things. Research has shown that women are more attracted to men who are open-minded and non-judgmental. In fact, a survey by Match.com found that 70% of women value open-mindedness in a partner. So, how can you be more open-minded? One way is to challenge your own beliefs and assumptions. Be willing to consider different perspectives and be open to changing your mind. Another way to be open-minded is to try new things. This could mean trying new foods, taking up a new hobby, or traveling to a new place. By stepping out of your comfort zone, you'll expand your horizons and show women that you're adventurous and open to new experiences. Number 4. Have a sense of humor. Having a sense of humor is a trait that many women find attractive in a man. It shows that you don't take yourself too seriously and can make light of difficult situations. Research has shown that women are more attracted to men who have a good sense of humor. In fact, a survey by Zoosk found that 97% of women value a sense of humor in a partner. One way is to watch comedy shows or read humorous books to get a sense of different styles of humor. Another way is to practice being playful and lighthearted in your interactions with others. But it's important to remember that humor should be used in a respectful and appropriate way. Avoid offensive jokes or putting others down for a laugh. Number 3. Keep her guessing. Regarding attraction, keeping a woman guessing can be a powerful tool. It creates an element of mystery and excitement that can make you more intriguing and desirable. Research has shown that women are more attracted to men who are unpredictable and keep them on their toes. The key is to be mysterious. Share stories and peeks into your life, but keep the full details to yourself. She won't be able to guess the whole story and will be left wanting to know more. Number 2. Take care of yourself. Taking care of yourself is not only important for your own health and well-being, but it can also make you more attractive to women. When you prioritize self-care, you show that you value yourself and your own happiness. Research has shown that women are more attracted to men who take care of themselves physically and mentally. In fact, a survey by Happify found that 80% of women value self-care in a partner. So how can you take care of yourself? One way is to prioritize your physical health by eating well, exercising regularly, and getting enough sleep. Another way is to prioritize your mental health by practicing self-care activities such as meditation or therapy. Number 1. Take initiative. Taking the initiative is a key trait that can make you more attractive to women. It shows that you're proactive and willing to take charge, which can be very appealing to women who value confidence and assertiveness. One way is to plan dates and activities instead of waiting for her to do them. Show her that you're willing to take charge and make things happen. Another way to take the initiative is to communicate your needs and desires clearly. Don't wait for her to guess what you want. Be upfront and assertive about your needs. Final thoughts. From understanding your own value to developing social skills and taking care of yourself, these tips can help you become a more attractive and desirable partner. Remember, attracting women is not just about physical appearance or charm. It's about being authentic, confident, and assertive in your interactions. By putting these tips into practice, you can build strong connections and create fulfilling relationships. If you have made it this far, we really appreciate your support. Comment down below with the word 100% so we know that you watched the entire video. Now, you need to watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. It will show you 9 things high-value men never waste their time on. Make sure to watch it now. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.